guys, I've got my Galaxy Watch Ultra. So this is Samsung's new watch. So yeah, this is supposed to be their top model. So I'm wearing the Classic at the moment, Classic 6. So I'm wearing the Classic 6 and yeah, had my fun with it. It's just the battery life's a bit low, which is not that good. So this will have a better battery which will last long. Especially I do a lot of sports, so I'll be using this for that. So if you look at it, it looks nice. It looks like their old design. I think their first generation, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, let's get into it. Oh, I like this. Little picture of what's inside. It's a strap. I'm not going to use this one. I've got an orange one, which I'm going to put on. I bought that separate, so I'll leave that there. I haven't seen this, a package in a package. The watch is sealed as well, so I'm going to have to open that. I hope it looks good. I saw so many pictures and videos, but let's see. Yes, yeah, that looks nice. You can tell it looks premium. Yeah, that's nice. So it's silver and yeah, white. Look at that. That is beautiful. Yeah, let me quickly put the strap on and I'll show you guys. So I got this one. This is their new one, their foam one. From feeling it, I think it'll be good for gym. So this is a 47mm LTE. They should have done a Wi-Fi model, but as well, just as a separate for a little bit cheaper. But from looking at it, it's nice. This is just a quick unboxing. Yeah, I can't wait to try it. I got a case and a screen protector as well, because I've damaged this one unfortunately with the bezel. I bashed it by accident. But yeah, this looks nice. Titanium. So yeah, I can't wait to use it, and yeah, I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching.